Was looking for a new 3D doodler pen that's cordless or wireless, I guess. So looking at this 3D doodler Start Plus, and this is a neat set because it has a lot of stuff right away. It's got your quick start guide with a bunch of projects, and there's like step-by-steps with sort of templates, even stuff like that crazy set of eyeglasses, the Eiffel Tower, a dinosaur, so some really cool, most advanced like projects. So you charge this one with the USB cord, and it's a cordless unit. You'll put the sticks of color, which are essentially 3D printer stuff. They're going to go in the back. It's kind of like a glue gun. You'll turn it on, and then once it's on and running, you'll push the button and that'll feed, and you hold it like a pen and you can start to draw. That comes with a silicone shape line thing, so you can make straight lines and edges like this. You can change the color by just putting a new stick in the back, and we'll charge this up and start playing with it. It couldn't be easier. Pretty much one button, the on and off switch, the charging port, a place to put your color. It comes with a whole bunch of colors right away. Hope this helps.